The driver monitor is located here, on the steering column, and monitors the driver's attention to the road ahead. The system looks for head position, direction, and eye opening. If the system does not detect the driver's attention on the road, a series of warnings will be displayed. If the driver's face is below the camera detection range, the driver monitor may not work properly. It may be necessary to lower the steering column or raise the seat so that the camera can detect your entire face. The driver monitor is active in all drive modes, not just when ProPilot Assist 2.1 is active. To enable or disable the system, use these controls to select settings. Driver assistance. Driver monitor. Then, driver monitor again to toggle the system on or off. ProPilot Assist 2.1 will not function when the system has been disabled. Turning on ProPilot Assist 2.1 will enable the driver monitor. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.